everybody, and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Okay, so today on the GR86 I'm gonna take off the mud flaps because I don't like them. I don't like these mud flaps. Now these come on all Canadian cars as far as I know. I'm up here in Canada, there we go, Canada. I don't like these mud flaps. I know some people do, and some people in the States are desperately trying to buy these, trying to get these. I'm gonna take these off because I really like the purity of the lines. If you take off the mud flaps, you'll be able to see that. And if you leave them on, they're gonna mark up the paint if I leave them on too long. So I wanna take these off. Now is a good time to do it. And you can see the mud flap at the back. It's just this little guy with a little diffuser at the back here. Some people think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna try it without it. Probably when I'm gonna get a rear diffuser, that's gonna have to come off anyway, so I might as well take it off now and see what it looks like. I think it's gonna be cleaner. Okay, the first thing to do is to raise up the car. Okay, so now that we have the wheel off, we can see that there is 1, 2, and below here, right here, is the 3rd screw. Okay, this should be a very simple job. Everything is still relatively new, so it's gonna come off pretty easy, I would think. That's 1. That's 2. And then 1 below. Now, let's see if this guy will just come off. There you go. That is very simple. Okay, we're just gonna gently clean this. See, now we have a nice, sharp, clean line. I like that. Okay, so we're gonna actually put the screws back where we got them, because I think they still do secure some of this inside bodywork. So we're gonna put these back. Okay, at the back, it should be similar. I see 1, 2, 3 bolts to take off the rear. Oh, 1 more bolt underneath, 1 more bolt underneath. You sneaky bolt. That's gonna come right off. That looks so much cleaner without the mud flaps. No mud flaps. I like that so much better. So clean, a nice sharp line. And at the back, also a nice sharp line. Anyway, that's how you do it. That's how you get rid of the mud flaps. I think it makes the car look way cleaner, way better. I know some of you are going to disagree with that. That's fine, to each his own. Mud flaps, gone. All right, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.